Hello, good evening to all of you. So, as we all know, that every ending has a new beginning. So, we have completed the basic concept of determinants in our previous class. But there is a channel that comment me that the name is Crazy Army कि सर कुछ एग्जांपल्स भी बता दीजिए तो ये कॉन्सेप्ट और थोड़ा अच्छे से क्लियर हो जाएगा. तो आज हम आ गए हैं कुछ एग्जांपल्स लेके, ठीक है. बट बिफोर दैट थोड़ा मोटिवेशन हो जाए. ओके, तो कीप वन थिंग इन योर माइंड दैट डू मिस्टेक्स एवरी डे. डू मिस्टेक्स एवरी डे. हर टाइम हर एक दिन मिस्टेक करते रहो, बट डोंट रिपीट द मिस्टेक. सेम मिस्टेक बार बार नहीं. ओके, डू मिस्टेक एवरी डे बट डोंट डू द सेम मिस्टेक एवरी डे. ओके, so let's start with the examples. but before that हम लोग एक ट्रिक बता देते हैं कि क्या क्या होने पे मतलब कौन कौन सा टाइप पे तुम डिटरमिनर्स को याद रखोगे. ठीक है, कैसे डिटरमिनर्स को याद रख सकते हो. so the rule is, the trick is that AIPQN D square. AIPQN D square. अब तुम लोग सोचोगे सर आप क्या बता दिए. चलो बताते हैं. A means article and in the article there is a and the. A and the ये three हो गए determinants. I indicates to interrogative adjectives. I indicates to interrogative adjectives like why, where, what, how, which, when. These all are the interrogative adjectives. These are also the parts of determinants. Okay. Next, P indicates possessive adjectives. Okay, possessive adjective means our, my. कल बोले थे ना कि मेरा घर, my car. Okay, my house, their football. और जैसे my girlfriend, मेरा ही गर्लफ्रेंड है, तो वो possessiveness किसका है? उसका ही मतलब my, तुम्हारा ही possessive होगा तुम्हारा गर्लफ्रेंड के ऊपर. Okay, so P means possessive adjectives. तो possessive adjectives के अंदर जो पार्ट आ रहा है, these are also part of determinants. Okay, Q is quantity, adjectives of quantity. Quantity means परिमाण. Okay, like some, many. Okay, these are the adjectives of quantity. Okay, much. Now number, adjectives of number. अगर कोई number है like 1 2 3 4, okay, third, fourth, fifth, these all are adjectives of number. Okay, and this square means demonstrative and distributive. Demonstrative means to point out something. Demonstrative adjectives means to point out something. Like this bat, those boys, these girls. Okay, this player, these, that, those. Okay, these are called demonstrative adjectives. These are also part of determinants. Okay, and the last one, distributive. Distributive means each, neither, either. These are the part of distributive adjectives. Okay, so ये फॉर्मूला को याद रखो. इसके अंदर जो आएगा, जो adjectives आएगा या articles. Okay, article is also a part of parts of the speech, but this is not counted in the part of the speech. There are 8 parts of the speech, and article is under in the part of determinants. Okay, so you try to remember this rule, remember this trick, and determinants will be clear for you. Okay, so let's practice the questions. Okay. First question is, actually we have to find out the determinants from the following sentences. There are given some sentences. Okay, we will practice at least 10 or 12 examples, and you have to find out the determinants. Okay, so the question is that which book do you want? Which book do you want? तुम कौन सा बुक चाहते हो? यहाँ पे determiner क्या है? Let's find out क्या है. Which किस तरह का क्वेश्चन है? देखो, क्वेश्चन मींस इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंस, और इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंस मतलब WH क्वेश्चन रहेगा कुछ, और WH वर्ड रहेगा. WH वर्ड मींस यहाँ पे which है, तो which is the determiner here. Okay, next question. Some boys are playing. So here some is the determiner. Many girls were singing. Here many is the determiner. Okay, this house is mine. So this, see this, अभी बोले था ना तुम लोगों को कि that is demonstrate कर रहे हैं, point out कर रहे हैं. This house, यही घर. Okay, so this is the word, this is determiner. Okay, next, there is also interrogative sentence. That means there will be WH word perhaps. Okay, so where is your house? See, this is the WH word. Where is your house? So where is the determiner. So which, some, many, these, where, these are the determiners. Okay, चलो हम लोग चलते हैं नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल्स की तरफ. लेट मी इरेज द बोर्ड. हाँ, चलो स्टॉप. तो these are the next examples. Okay, number 6, give me a pen. Give me a pen. Here which one is the determiner? क्या है a, that is article. Okay, so this is also determiner. Where is your girlfriend? Where is your girlfriend? So this is interrogative sentence. Where is your girlfriend? Where is, that is WH word, so this is determiner. Now there is there any other determiner? Your is the possessive determiner, possessive adjective. So in this sentence there are two determiners, where and your. Where is interrogative adjective and your is possessive adjective, so both are determiner. Number 8, put a little sugar in the cup. Put a little sugar. Here little is determiner. Little is adjective of quantity. Little is adjective of quantity. Little is the determiner here. Also a is determiner. Here the is determiner. Okay, so these are the determiner. Now number 9, neither of the boys went there. Neither of the boys went there. So neither is distributive adjective. Neither is distributive adjective. So किसी को नहीं, neither of the boys went there, कोई भी नहीं गया है. Neither is the distributive adjective, so that is determiner also. Okay, the is determiner also. Okay, now there is also determiner. Okay, it is point out something. Okay, number 10, that is our school. That is point out something. That is so it is called demonstrative adjective. Okay, so it is also determiner. And our is possessive adjective, so it is also determiner. So this is how you can practice. Okay, I am giving you some questions, you will do practice, that will be better for you. Okay, so I am writing the questions. So these are the homeworks. Okay, there are given 5 sentences. अब तुम्हारे वॉइस तुम्हारे, अगर तुम पढ़ाई के साथ सिंसियर हो, अगर तुम सच में आगे बढ़ना चाहते हो, अगर तुम सच में नया कुछ सीखना चाहते हो, तो जो होमवर्क दे रहा हूँ इसको करो. कॉन्सेप्ट जो समझा रहा हूँ क्लास में वो अच्छे से समझो. अगर समझ में नहीं आ रहा तो वीडियो को फिर से चालू करो, फिर से देखो. ठीक है, और फिर भी अगर कुछ डाउट हुआ तो कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखो, हम कोर्स क्लियर करने का कोशिश करेंगे. ठीक है, थैंक यू. चलो चलते हैं.